Hi, this is Josh, and today we are going to be fixing a jammed Rival. What is this? Apollo. I always get the Zeus. I've already gone ahead and unscrewed it. There's a screw here, 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 and here. I don't believe you have to do anything with the screws down in here. So let's see if it'll pop apart. If not, we might have to mess with it some more here. Let's see. And if we do, we do. But I don't think you have to. Oh, must have missed one. Yeah, I did. I'm just using this tiny little screwdriver here, little Phillips. Be careful when you pull this thing apart. As you can see, it doesn't want to come apart all the time. Still missing them. Here we go. Missed one more. A lot of little screws here. Be real gentle when you pull it out. There we go. Just set him right up here. Now here is the problem. Is that there is. Let's see here. This is the front of the gun. The problem is this little thing here. You want to pull this out. Put it right there. Pull that out. There should be a piece right down in here, but what we're going to do is we are going to loosen this. It's jammed right up at the top of the where the magazine goes in. So loosen these. I don't know if you have to loosen all of them or not. I can't remember. We had this problem all the time with this gun, and it's one of those flaws that they just don't want to seem to fix. It's really not, I mean, it seems kind of complicated, but it's really not a whole lot in this gun that really goes into it. Here we go. Just open that right up. Up, and there's your ball. Rolled right out of the end of the barrel. A lot of times it gets stuck right, well, here, we'll point with this, gets stuck right up in here. And that's not a good place for them to be. So, what you do then is you just reverse the process. Go ahead and shove that right back up in there. I think I've got a screw down here somewhere. There he is. It's falling apart on me now. Problem is that now that I've taken this apart, see that gap? So we need to get this piece in here and close that gap. Close that down, there we go. Tighten them down. There we go. Got one more here, and this guy here will be ready to go back together. Go ahead and put this little guy right here. Should be a screw hole here. Let me look at this thing. There we go, right down on that. There we go. Good God. Never been this complicated before. is the deal? Not wanting to go in there. What? Yeah, hang on here. Alright. Take this piece, this little guy here, he's got to go in here where these gears are. See these little gears? This guy here, the end of this has got to go right in there. So you want to kind of shove that in there a little bit. There it goes. Set it right up in there. Now this guy here, right here, he goes, let me scoot this up so you can see what I'm doing. He goes right here, just like this, so he sits right up next to this guy here. There's a little hole right over here. There's a little hole right there. That's where he goes. That should be it. Then all you have to do is put this piece right back on. Tighten up your screws. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's not the best. We got everything else done, and we should be good. There it goes. Good as new.